Hey you guys, it's me Demetrius. Got me boy Demetrius back at it again with another video. That was playing for something right now. But now I am going to give you guys a shout out at the end of the video. But to have to get a shout out, I have to know you real good. You gotta add me on Snapchat, comment down below some good things. And we'll show you next and do whoever got some great ideas, I will do it. And I will give you guys shout out and add me on Instagram. I will put all of that stuff down there in the description. Bye. Now let's start this game. That right there is my high score. If you guys don't notice. That's too loud. What do I wear? They only told you 12 times. The first stick that you put on and is your best find. Best right, something like that. I'm a low gainer. I'm a Jake Pauler. And I'm a low gainer. Low gangs. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm finna use one key. If you know I got 5 keys already. I saw this one YouTube. He was playing this game, and he was, what's it called? I forgot what he was doing, but yeah. And I would be making my own music videos on my other thing, and I would be showing you guys. But I don't make music videos yet, but I'm gonna be like doing lyrics and stuff. Okay, I got 1 key. That's good. No. That's like new high school. Let's play again. You see,
I know you guys can't hear it like that, but I'm. What's up, Hardy?
Kimara trying to sing in the background. She don't know the lyrics. Let's all just be smart. All done for you, that must be hard. You get your wine. No one had come me any harm. Don't try to attempt me. Your bucket's worse than your bite. Who's the baddest of them all? I guess we're falling out tonight.
Let's go. Pow, pow.
No, let's go. Bring it on. Better give us what we want. Give him up and do it now. If you done, it's going down. Let's go. Make him move. Pistol Warriors up to you. Give him up and do it now. If you done, it's going down. We want the one. Or else the king is gone. Your time is running out. You should really watch your mouth. Come on, you need to turn yours down. That's too loud. Comment down below if you guys can hear her music. And tell her it's too loud.
But this is not the real one. This is just the beat.
That's the song. We be playing music all day, every day. At my cousin's house. We playing music right now. Nothing got the one waste. Yeah, and I don't know what to do. And if you gotta keep on doing my profession. Hold on. I'll tell you something. Can you turn yours down? I gotta work real hard to get those coins. Think you so can Can you turn yours down?
It's gonna turn down when it come back on.
That's too loud.
It's Flex, come on. Here's my friend.
I'm slow, y'all. Kimara got me distracted. Oh, now I just lost all my keys. But still, you got me distracted. Now I don't even got one more key left. Because of you, you made me distracted.
My high score was 2,443. Yeah.
Mine's better than yours. Kimara cannot never be my high score.
What? This round I'm gonna beat your high score.
Okay. My confession, yeah, I don't know what to do. I guess I gotta. No, you. Who saw that glitch? Someone will wait on her too.